Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Adsense account to your GoDaddy website. First of all, you need to log into your GoDaddy account. Then you need to click your profile icon on the top right and go to your products. Now you need to scroll down until you will see websites plus marketing. You need to click it. And right here, you need to go to manage. Now you need to find your GoDaddy website where you need to add your Google AdSense account and click Edit Website button right here. Then on the top right, you need to click Settings, scroll down, and on the bottom you will see Google AdSense. You need to click it. And right here, you need to enter your AdSense script, guys. You need to paste the code right here, or you can also use the text document files right here. If you don't have a Google AdSense account, you can just click this button and sign up on Google AdSense. And if you have a Google AdSense and don't know where to find the code, you can click Help me find my AdSense code right here, and it will guide you where you can find this code. And after you will find the code, then you need to paste it right here. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.